Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
Ripple to give out 1 billion XRP in developer grants. The first two waves of the XRPL grant have offered $6 million in funding to 50 open-source projects built on the XRP ledger. Ripple, XRP, the enterprise payment technology company, plans to give out 1 billion XRP in grants for developers. The newly announced grant is an extension of the company's XRPL grants program, which was launched in 2021. The developer grant would be focused on encouraging open-source projects on the XRP ledger built for enterprise remittance assistance. Ripple has built a strong foothold in the Asia-Pacific region through its XRPL-based remittance technology called RippleNet. RippleNet offers a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange and remittance network with the help of the XRP ledger. The remittance platform has partnered with hundreds of banks to build a payment network of its own. According to the current XRP price, the total value of the grant is about $794 million, out of which the firm has awarded a total of $6 million in funding to over 50 projects to date. The firm would offer financial, technical and business assistance to developers looking to build on XRPL. Related, motions denied for both SEC and Ripple as battle continues. Ripple's new developer grant would be released over the course of the next decade. The firm would conduct a number of boot camps to encourage and onboard developers. The first two waves of the XRPL grant were focused on the non-fungible token and federated sidechains, while the third wave aims to onboard open-source projects on its ledger. Despite its ongoing security lawsuit in the United States, Ripple has managed to expand on its cross-border payment technology outside the US. Ripple's remittance technology has become quite popular in the past few years, owing to its advantages of lower costs and more instantaneous transactions than the traditional payment gateways. According to a recent report, Ripple partner The Clearing House is in talks with Wells Fargo to develop a SWIFT alternative. Ukraine president enacts a law to legalize crypto as donations pour in. The Ministry of Digital Transformation said that foreign and domestic crypto exchanges can operate legally but did not make crypto a legal tender. Key insights. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has signed a bill to legalize cryptos. Ukraine has received over $100 million in crypto donations to fund its war against Russia. The Finance Ministry is working on crypto tax regulations and other possible rules. On Wednesday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky signed a virtual assets bill, legalizing cryptocurrencies in the embattled country. Crypto is now legal in Ukraine. The signed law determines the legal status, classification and ownership of virtual assets according to a statement from the Ministry of Digital Transformation. It also outlines the registration requirements for crypto exchanges and service providers. Confirming the news in a tweet, Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation said that exchanges and crypto companies can now operate legally, and banks will issue accounts for them. The National Securities and Stock Market Commission of Ukraine will regulate the new crypto market. The regulator will look into aspects including the formation of state policy for cryptos, determining the order of turnover, issuing approval and permits to crypto service providers, and financially monitoring the crypto market. The statement added, "The signing of this law by the president is another important step towards bringing the crypto sector out of the shadows and launching a legal market for virtual assets in Ukraine." However, it is essential to note that the law does not make crypto a legal tender but provides a regulatory structure for the digital asset class. Additionally, the country's finance ministry is also actively working to amend crypto tax regulations and other rules such as civil codes. The bill was passed on February 17 by the Ukrainian parliament, legalizing BTC and other cryptos such as ETH and XRP, after the president had rejected an earlier version of the bill in 2021. Law could ease more crypto donations to aid in the war. The law arrives at a time when Ukraine has received at least $100 million in crypto donations in the weeks since Russia invaded the country. The new crypto law will enable the country's top crypto exchange Kuna, which has been receiving millions of donations, to spend those funds with crypto-friendly suppliers directly. The exchange has been responsible for aiding those donations to the armed forces of Ukraine. XRP cryptocurrency bullish by 3% in the last 24 hours. XRP cryptocurrency is currently on bullish momentum by 3.68% in the last 24 hours. At 14.29 EST on Thursday 17th of March, XRP, XRP USD, is at $0.7939. Volume. Today's last reported volume for XRP is 3,760,200,756, 12.15% below its average volume of 4,280,403,306.19. All-time high and low. XRP's current value is at 79 cents, 76.64% below its all-time high of $3.40 on Sunday 7th of January. XRP's current value is at 79 cents, 29,449.93% above its all-time low of $3.40 on Thursday 22nd of May. Market cap and supply. XRP's current market cap is at 38,197,598,807. The total supply is 100 billion.00, maximum supply is 100 billion.00, and the circulating supply is 48,121,609,012.00. XRP USD, range. Regarding XRP's daily highs and lows, it's 3.1% up from its trailing 24 hours low of $0.7700 and 0.49% up from its trailing 24 hours high of $0.7900. Social status. Currently, XRP USD, has 2,456,283 Twitter followers and 348,029 Reddit subscribers. As of now, on GitHub, there are 1,353 forks, 4,105 stars, and 505 subscribers. Volatility. XRP's last week, last month's, and last quarter's current intraday variation average was a positive 0.52%, a negative 0.12%, and a positive 3.61%, respectively. XRP's highest amplitude of average volatility was 2.90%, last week, 3.54%, last month, and 3.61%, last quarter, respectively. Other news about XRP USD. According to Benzinga on Monday 14th of March, Alderity explained that the ruling makes it clear there's a serious question whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice that its distribution of XRP, since 2013, would ever be prohibited under securities law. He also said that he feels that it is imperative that the sun sets on the SEC's regulation by enforcement approach. XRP price action. Since the ruling was first announced on Friday, XRP skyrocketed by over 15% from a low of under 73 cents to a high of over $0.845 in a matter of hours. News about Bitcoin. Bitcoin records largest on-chain volume in its history at $39,000. Can retail investors hold sway over whales? According to Benzinga on Tuesday 15th of March, as of March 14th, 82% of Bitcoin supply held by short-term holders was held at a loss, while the total supply held by long-term Bitcoin holders is near all-time highs. Price action. At press time, Bitcoin was trading at $39,000, gaining 2.21% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin whale just transferred $38 million BTC from Binance to Bitstamp. According to Benzinga on Tuesday 15th of March, if a whale were to sell all of their Bitcoin on one exchange, there would be a high price impact. What happened? An anonymous Bitcoin, crypto, BTC, whale just transferred $38,936,658 worth of Bitcoin off Binance, and the investor then sent these funds to Bitstamp. Crypto founder's idea on ending war in Ukraine: pay Russians $250 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum to watch videos. According to Benzinga on Thursday 17th of March, what happened? In a post published on March 15th, Williams proposed using smart contracts and $250 million worth of Bitcoin, crypto, BTC, and Ethereum, crypto, ETH, for the cause. Bitcoin whale just transferred $30 million worth of BTC onto Coinbase. According to Benzinga on Tuesday 15th of March, what happened? An anonymous cryptocurrency wallet holding $30,986,113 of Bitcoin, crypto, BTC, just transferred their funds onto Coinbase. It's likely that this Bitcoin whale is planning either on selling Bitcoin or trading it for other altcoins. Bitcoin evangelist Saylor tells economists why they're wrong. According to Bloomberg Quint on Monday 14th of March, meanwhile, the days since the enterprise software company added to its stockpile of Bitcoin are adding up. Saylor also argued that Bitcoin was superior to gold in that one could charge rent on it or what the industry calls staking and was transportable. in the event of geopolitical crises.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks, everybody. See you later.